Hello, welcome again. In this tutorial we will talk more about route and controllers. Let's first create a controller, new PHP class. If you use other IDs you can do accordingly. Let's hit welcome controller. Okay, see, a PHP class has been created. Instance controller. Okay, so let's create a constructor function underscore construct double underscore. Okay, dollar this middleware test case. We'll explain this later. So our main concern is method index and creating public function index. This is our main target to look at. Return view welcome. Okay, we have created a method. Here. Now go to router. Delete these things. Our controller is welcome controller. I'm telling it that you search for something in welcome controller, and what will it search for? It will search for the index method. Okay, let's see how the change takes place now. Laravel 5. Okay, fine. Let's return some other message. Laravel 5 controller. Okay, let's try to run now. Yep. So this is how the controller is working. Similarly, if we go to this Laravel 5 controller, so this way the controller will work with routes. Let's create another route. If I want to create a new route for contact. Where will I go? Welcome controller. So let's create a method, another contact. Okay, let's enter a new method here. Contact me. Okay, now let's try to see if there is page contact me. So we are done. So we can create a number of pages using controller. Laravel will use actually model view controller pattern. We will talk this about model view controller one by one as we go, creating more tutorials and learn about Laravel. Now let's try to pass some data. Let's try to pass some data from our controller. Okay. Let's, for example, return let's try to pass the file pages.contact. Okay. So I am passing, you see I am passing a file, a view with pages.contact. That means you see you are passing, for example, in index you are passing view welcome. Have you wondered where did this welcome came from? If you have ever wondered, let's try to go now. Go to resources. In the resources folder we have views. By default we have the welcome page. See, by default we have the welcome page. This is the Laravel 5 that we are seeing. Now let's try to create our page. Pages is our folder name. Try to create a new file, maybe pages slash contact dot blade.php. We'll talk about Blade later on. Blade is an PHP templating framework. It's so nice, you will love it. Pages contact.blade.php. Okay, welcome.blade. Let's try to copy this here for now. Contact me. Okay. Now if I there is some mistake obviously here. Our router is fine. At contact and our welcome controller view pages dot contact. Everything is fine. Let's try to okay, let's try to define and see. Let's try to make it simple. Contact me. Okay, fine. Simple. Maybe we have our contact is one header here. Okay, now let's try to see actually public contact invalid element file finder.php.line.137 pages.contact not found. Oh, ha! See now what I have done. I have created the pages folder. Okay. Now it should find. How does mistake? Okay. Now it's fine. So contact me. So in this way, we can create different pages in our views. We can return those pages from our controllers, and our routes can get nice routes for us, different name. And in this way, we can hide the extensions, hide the page file name, and we can obviously, for example, if I gave it a different name, wanna see me, what would happen? See me? Same thing. So who knows what is the file behind our application? This is the magic, and this is the nice thing. So let's continue in our next tutorial. We will learn more cool things, and keep watching please.